If Google Chrome won't open on your Windows 11 PC, don't worry. This is usually a background process issue, a corrupted profile problem, or a software conflict. And in this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes, step by step. These methods are simple, safe to try, and they can get Chrome launching again without reinstalling everything right away. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Windows fixes. Let's get started. First, we're going to force close any stuck Chrome background processes. Sometimes Chrome is already running in the background, but it's frozen, so Windows thinks it's open even though nothing appears on the screen. To fix that, press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in compact view, click More Details so you can see the full list of processes. Now look through the list for anything named Google Chrome or Chrome.exe. If you find it, right-click it and choose End Task. If there are multiple Chrome entries, end all of them. Once that's done, try opening Chrome again and see if it launches normally. If Chrome still won't open, the next thing to try is running it as an administrator. Sometimes a temporary permission issue in Windows 11 can block the browser from starting correctly. To do that, go to your desktop or Start menu and find the Google Chrome icon. Right-click the icon and select Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. This gives Chrome elevated access and can often bypass startup issues caused by restricted settings or a small system glitch. If Chrome opens this way, you've confirmed the problem was related to permissions. Now, if that still doesn't work, the next fix is to reset Chrome's user data folder. This is one of the most effective steps when Chrome is stuck because a corrupted profile, cache, or local setting is preventing it from loading. Don't worry, we're not deleting your account permanently, we're just renaming the folder so Chrome can build a fresh one. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog box. Copy and paste this path exactly, %local app data /Google /Chrome. Then press Enter. In the folder that opens, look for a folder called User Data, or in some cases a profile folder. Right-click it, choose Rename, and change the name to Backup User Data or Backup Profile. This keeps the original folder safe in case you want to restore it later. After that, relaunch Chrome. If Chrome opens now, then the original user profile was the issue. If Chrome still refuses to start, the next workaround is renaming the executable file. This can help if malware, a corrupted shortcut, or a broken Windows registry entry is interfering with the Chrome.exe process name. Start by right-clicking your Chrome shortcut and selecting Open File Location. That will take you to the folder where Chrome is installed. Look for the file named Chrome, usually shown with the Chrome logo icon. Right-click it and choose Rename, then change the name to Chrome 1. After that, double-click Chrome 1 and see if the browser opens. If it does, the issue may be tied to the original executable name or a conflict in Windows. Another possible cause is conflicting antivirus software. Some security programs can mistakenly block Chrome from launching, especially after an update or a permissions change. If you have a third-party antivirus installed, try temporarily disabling its real-time protection and then open Chrome again. Only do this briefly for testing, and make sure you turn protection back on afterward. If Chrome works with antivirus disabled, you may need to add Chrome to the antivirus allow list, or adjust the security settings so it doesn't block the browser in the future. If you've gone through these steps, and Chrome still won't open, the problem may be deeper, but in most cases, one of these fixes will get it working again. The key is to go in order. First, end the background process, then try administrator mode, then refresh the user data folder, then rename the executable, and finally check for security software conflicts. That sequence solves a lot of Windows 11 Chrome startup issues very quickly. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy computer repair tutorials. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing how to completely reset Google Chrome on Windows 11 without losing everything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.